Hey guys, how y'all been, man? There's a massive snowstorm over here in New York City, and I'm about to go check my car out. I'm about to go and see how my car is doing. Tough work, eh? Everybody's flying their yards, and everybody's like, cleaning out there. Look at the pile of ice. Look at this car. Yeah, look at this car. You see that? You see that car? Messed up. Look at the snow. Everywhere there's snow. And my leg, my feet, my shoes are 6-inch deep. Like, look at this. Oh man. Can't feel my shoes. I'm gonna go check out my car. So I'll see you all there then.